The iPad Mini 8, Apple's rumored 2026 powerhouse that's got the tech world buzzing with excitement. From groundbreaking display upgrades to chip advancements that could rival high-end laptops. This isn't just another update. It's a revolution in miniature form. And trust me, by the end of this, you'll be counting down the days until you can get your hands on one. Let's dive right in. First off, let's set the stage by remembering why the iPad mini has always been that special underdog in Apple's lineup. Back in 2012, when the first iPad mini launched, it was a game-changer, affordable, portable, and perfect for reading books, watching videos on the go, or sketching ideas without lugging around a bigger tablet. Fast forward to today, and the current iPad mini 7, released in 2024, is solid with its A20 Pro chip and 8.3-inch LCD screen. But let's be real, it's starting to feel a bit dated. The jelly scrolling issue from older models? Mostly fixed, but that 60 Hz refresh rate can still feel sluggish during fast swipes. Battery life is decent for light use, but push it with multitasking, and it drains quicker than you'd like. And while it's great for casual users, professionals often reach for the Air or Pro for more power and features. So what if Apple decided to supercharge this little beast? What if they addressed every complaint and turned it into something extraordinary? That's exactly what the leaks are hinting at for the iPad mini 8. Now, imagine waking up to news that Apple's smallest tablet is getting its biggest glow-up ever. According to multiple sources, including leaks from supply chain insiders and code dives into upcoming iOS builds, the iPad mini 8 is slated for a late 2026 release. Think third or fourth quarter, possibly aligning with Apple's fall event alongside new iPhones. Why the wait? Well, Apple's playing the long game here, skipping a minor refresh to deliver something truly transformative. And oh boy, the display rumors alone are enough to make you salivate. Picture this: an 8.5-inch or even 8.7-inch OLED panel. That's right, ditching the LCD for OLED technology that brings deeper blacks, infinite contrast, and colors so vivid they jump off the screen. Watching Netflix on this? It'll feel like a mini cinema in your hands. Editing photos in Lightroom, every detail will pop with precision. But here's where it gets even more intriguing. Some leaks suggest it could finally get promotion. Apple's 120 Hz refresh rate tech, smooth scrolling, buttery animations, and ultra-responsive Apple Pencil input. No more lag when jotting down notes or drawing. Others say it might stick to 60 Hz to keep costs down, but imagine the possibilities if it doesn't. You'd have a device that's not just portable but performs like a pro. Let me paint a scenario for you. You are on a crowded train, pulling out your iPad mini 8. The screen lights up instantly. No bezels distracting you. Just pure immersion. You swipe through apps, Safari, Photos, GarageBand, and everything feels fluid, almost alive. That's the magic of OLED combined with higher refresh rates. And durability? Leaks are whispering about improved water resistance, maybe even an IP rating that lets you use it poolside without worry. Spill your coffee? No problem. Light rain during your commute? It shrugs it off. This isn't just speculation. Reports from Bloomberg and other insiders point to Apple testing these features to make the mini more rugged for everyday adventures. Think about it, a tablet that fits in your jacket pocket but stands up to real life. Who wouldn't want that? But wait, the real powerhouse lies under the hood. The chip rumors are wild, and they're what could elevate this from good to legendary. Early leaks pegged it with the A19 Pro, the same beast powering the iPhone 17 Pro models. About 20 to 30% faster than the A17 Pro in the current mini. That means smoother multitasking, faster app launches, and handling demanding tasks like 4K video editing or running complex AR apps without breaking a sweat. But hold on, because more recent code leaks from iOS 26 builds suggest it might jump straight to the A20 Pro, a 2nm chip that's even more efficient and powerful, potentially matching the iPhone 18 Pro. Why the upgrade? Efficiency. With OLED's power demands, Apple needs a chip that sips battery while delivering top-tier performance. Imagine gaming on Genshin Impact or Call of Duty Mobile at max settings. No throttling, for hours on end. Or using it as a secondary display for your Mac, seamlessly extending your workspace. Professionals, this could be your new best friend. Compact enough for travel, powerful enough for work. Let's geek out on the performance implications for a moment. The A20 Pro, if it happens, would bring next-level neural engine capabilities for AI features. Think on